Hello students, welcome back to my class. Hopefully you all are fine and fit. Today I am bringing the chapter construction of class 10 NCERT book. It's an interesting chapter. I'll give the basic ideas of the chapter, that means how to construct a line segment by a given measurement in the given ratio, how to construct a triangle, and then how to construct tangent to a circle. So first of all, chapter construction, division of a line segment. Any line segment, I have taken the question from the exercise 11.1, question number 1 it is. You may be given any measurement or may not be given any measurement. If the measurement is not given, anyway you have to take the line. If the measurement is given, according to the measurement you have to make the line. So here the measurement is given 7.6 and we are asked to divide the line in the ratio 5:8. So what shall we do? First of all, we will make a line segment 7.6 centimeter. centimeter. You need very sharp pencil, otherwise your measurement will be wrong. So here it is 7.6 centimeter. Now for dividing this whole line segment in the ratio 5:8, we need to make a ray from the point I have made it little longer. Why? I'll explain. I'll say why I have made it longer, because while dividing this line segment we need to add up this ratio. 5 plus 8 gives you 13, and this 13 into the 13 parts we need to cut this ray. So equally this ray AX, the ray AX to be divided into equally 13 parts. So let's divide it. Smaller parts I'll take 1 by any measurement. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So these are the 13 parts I have made. So there's all parts named by A1, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12, and last one A13. Why I have taken A? Because this point is A, so I have taken A1, A2. Now the work is what? The last point, the end point of line segment B will be joined with this A13. A13. So out of this 13 part, how many is to be taken? 5. So here from we need a 5 point. Now you need to make a parallel line at point A5 which will be parallel to this point, this line, sorry. Now for making this parallel line, what is the method? You need to make corresponding angle at this same point. So what is the method? At this point and at point A5 we need to make the same angle so that the lines would be parallel. So what shall I do? I'll make an angle. With this measurement I'll make an angle at point A5. Okay, now with this measurement here I'll cut a portion. Here I have got, and this point you join with A5. To cut the line AB. Thus we have made the line segment and which is parallel to BA3. Let this point to be named. So I have 7.6 centimeter. Let this point be AB and so it is C. Thus we have got two parts. One is this part, other is CB. So AC is of 5 part and the other part is 8. So then after to be measured each of the part. So you can measure it, but by the measurement, as here it is 13 out of 13 you need to take 5 part. So out of 13 if you take 5 part of 7.6 it must come 2.9, and out of 13 if you take 8 part of 7.6 here must comes 4.7, so that altogether gives you 7.6. So that means this part must be 2.9 and other part must be 4.7, so that you get 7.6. So the construction part comes, steps of construction. It's very simple. What you are doing, the same thing have to be mentioned. So we draw number 1. What we have drawn? AB. We draw AB equal to 7.6 centimeter and array AX making AX is drawn, making an angle, making an acute. This angle is acute, no? So as the array is drawn this way, so here it makes an acute angle. So making an acute angle with AB. Number 2 point, we locate how many points? 5 plus 8. equals to 13. We look at 13 points. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A13 on AX such that, how it is located, such that all those points, all those segments are equal, such that A1 equal to A1, A2 equal to A2, A3 equal to A12, A13. We join BA13. The last line segment is done. Number 4, what we have done? We have drawn CA5 parallel to BA13. Then AC is to CB is given as 5:8. So on measuring the segments, we get AC is equal to 2.9 centimeter and CB is equal to 4.7 centimeter. Now I'll show you how to construct the triangle of a given measurement. Construct a triangle similar to a given triangle. This triangle is not to be drawn by any measurement, by given measurement, because no measurement is given for the triangle ABC. So you can make it anyways. Anyway, I have made a triangle ABC, and you need to make another triangle with the sides equal to 3/5 of the corresponding sides. What is to be done? Now, two things are to be noted here. Sometimes it gives as a proper fraction, and sometimes it gives as an improper fraction. Like here it is 3/5. When it is proper fraction, the required triangle will be interior of the given one, smaller. The required triangle, what you are going to draw, will be smaller than the given triangle. If it would be like 5/3, it's an improper fraction. So when it is an improper fraction, the triangle will be bigger than the given triangle. That is only the difference. And if the measurements of the triangle are given, with the given measurements, you have to make the triangle, and the procedure are same. So here what shall we do? I have already made the triangle ABC anyway by any measurement you have to. And now what is done in the line segment, in case of line segment, the same have to be done over here also. So here I will make one ray, say it is BX. So from this BX, we need to cut some of the equal parts. So out of 5 parts to be taken, 3. Out of 5 to be taken. In line segment we have measured total the ratio, then after the parts were divided. Here out of 5 parts 3 are to be taken. So here this line will be cut by 5 equal parts. I am taking a little bigger. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let it name by, as it this time it is B, so let's B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. This B5 have to be joined with the last end point. See, now out of 5 you need to take 3. So at this B3 we have to make a parallel line with BC. So what was the method? You need to make an angle at B3. One arc is drawn at first, then with the measurement so you join this and produce to cut the line segment BC. Say it is, if it is C, then let this be C1 or C1 or C2 or C dash, anything you can mark. Again, from this point we will draw a line segment again. From this point we will make another line which would be parallel to CA this time. So what shall we do again? Again we need to make corresponding angle equal this angle you need to make equal to this angle here, here, then take the measurement and cut it from here. Now join it up. So here I have got, if it is A, then make it as A dash. Thus we have formed the triangle. The required triangle is A dash B C. See, this also make it as a dash, C dash. So this is the required triangle. So we have noticed that when the fraction is a proper fraction, then it comes in the interior to the given triangle, and when it will be an improper fraction, it will go out of the given triangle. So the procedure of writing is same. So how will you write construction? Number 1, let ABC, let get it. We draw array Bx making an acute angle with the side BC of the given triangle ABC. Number 2 point, we cut or we locate anything you can say. We cut or we locate five points B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5 on Bx. Such that B1 equals to B1, B2 equals to B2, B3 equals to B3, B4 equals to B4, B5. Number 3, we join CB5 and draw B3, draw a line, draw a line CB3 to the point B3 parallel to CB5, through B3 parallel to CB5 to cut BC at point C. See this. This is totally on you how you construct how you write the steps of construction. Go on doing one step and go on writing this step accordingly. So we have got up till this much. Again, from C to that, we draw a line C dash A dash parallel to CA to cut BA at point A dash. So therefore A dash B C dash is the required triangle. So we join CB5 and draw a line CB3. Draw a line C dash B3 through the point B3 parallel to CB5 to cut BC at point C dash. We draw a line C dash A dash parallel to CA to cut BA at point A dash. Therefore, A dash BC dash is the required triangle. So similarly, we can construct the triangle with a improper fraction also. So while making the improper fraction, we here always to be taken the bigger one, the greater one, maybe it's a numerator or denominator. So according to the bigger number, we have to divide the ray. Here may it be a improper fraction. So while making the triangle, I have made it anyways because the measurement of the triangle is not given. So you have to make the ray, and from there you need to cut 4 parts equally. One, 2, 3, 4, and this 4 points, fourth point will be joined with the last this. So it will be B1, B2, B3 and B4. As this time you have to, the other one is 3, so you need to take the 3 part from there. So from here you need to make parallel line by the same method. While making the parallel line, always to be made the corresponding angles equal. Here one arc is drawn. As at point B we will make B3, we will make the corresponding angles. So so this measurement have to be taken this much. Here from you cut the part. So this you join, and similarly if BC, then B3, and say it is as it is C, say so take it as C dash. take this. So we have cut. This triangle is not so we have cut the whole line segment into 4 equal parts, B1, B2, B3, B4 by taking the points. This time you are not to join with the last point to the end point of BC. Here you join this 3 out of 3 you have to take. So this 3 point will be joined with C. Now through this point B4 we need to make a parallel line. So what was the method? Again you need to make corresponding angles, this time on right hand side to be made. Okay, here you take the measurement. Measurements and we cut it from this arc. This point you join with B4 and produce, but this time there is no line segment to cut with. So what shall we do? We will produce this BC so that it cuts at a point C, as it is C, so let it be C dash. Now again from this point we need to make one parallel line. If your measurement won't be exact, then your diagram will be wrong. So here so we have made again some corresponding angles equal to angle ACB, which is equal to A dash C dash B, and then we have drawn a line segment, but this time also the line segment BA has to be produced up to A dash. Then this is the required triangle A dash B and C dash of the given triangle ABC. So we have noticed that when it is improper fraction, the triangle comes out exterior to the given triangle, and when it is an improper fraction, the triangle comes interior to the given triangle. Now one question I am showing you from 11.1, number 1. All the questions are based on those two what I have taught right now. Just simply the thing is what, there the measurement of the triangles were not given, but here the triangle measurement of the sides, maybe the sides or maybe the angles are given. So here the measurement of the sides are given. 3 sides are 4, 5 and 6. I have drawn all the 3 sides together. Then as the 6th side is longer, that is taken as a base, and the outer 2 sides, other 2 sides I have drawn. BA is drawn by taking the same measurement with the compass. I am taking the help of the compass. By measuring with the compass, I have drawn AB side line segment, and then again by taking the measurement of AC, I have made this AC line segment. Thus ABC required the triangle I have got. Then after the same procedure of 2 by 3 part, I have to make the triangle. So BX is drawn. The BX side, BX ray is divided into 3 equal part, as there is 3. So I have taken 3 points, A, B1, B2 and B3. The last point B3 is joined with C, and 2 part has to be taken. So B2 will, through B2 we will make a parallel line B2C dash with B3C. These 2 lines are parallel. Then through the point C dash we will make again another parallel line to cut AB. Thus we have got A dash B C dash as a required triangle. So here the triangle will be, the required triangle is, therefore the required triangle is A dash B C dash. This is the method of doing. So the next question is given as a construct 2, 3 are similar by the same sides. You have to construct isosceles triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and the altitude is 4 centimeter. Altitude, so while making the base as 4 centimeter, the base is to be made as a 8 centimeter. So this is 8 centimeter and the altitude measurement is 4 centimeter. So here have to be made the altitude. In this video I have taught you how to construct a line or a triangle with the given measurement. In my next video I will be teaching you few more sums of the same chapter. Thank you all for watching my video. Goodbye.